Okay, so Tom and I went to the basement and we found a couple of things. Number one, it doesn't smell wet because some of the doors and windows are missing, but I do believe this holds moisture. There's lots of cracks and gaps to the outside. That's your water treatment.
Actually, that's a pressure tank.
Is that a pressure tank?
Yes, it is.
There's the evidence of old knob and tube. And the panel box been upgraded. There's the fireplace. So there we had a wood stove down here at one time too. Insulation's hanging.
And according to the gauge, it still has water pressure here.
Definite. What is that, a tree log? You can see.
Yeah, it's part of a tree.
You can see the water damage and the fungus. You can see it. Look at this, Tom. Look at that. You see it?
Yes.
On the wood. No. I was hopeful
The same.
to see. Now you got some foundation cracks, and sometimes they're a big deal, and then sometimes they're not. But when you have a home inspection, what you're gonna hear is seek a second opinion with a structural engineer. Windows missing.
I see a lot of water damage on the wall back here.
Door fell in. Water damage over there.
Just below the step.
And the corners look wet. There's another crack. Oh, this side looks wet too. That's why they have all the water going away upstairs.